Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? I'm looking around because everything is slightly in a different spot. Let's see. It is Monday. Oh no, why have... No. Clicking on the clock doesn't show me the calendar anymore. Looking. Windows 11, what is this? It is Monday, August 26th of 2024. I gotta look in a different spot. I gotta learn how to use my computer again. We are back for yet another stream. We are on the new computer that we built the last two streams. I was real spooked at the end of the build that it didn't work. But it turns out that it seems like DisplayPort just does not function until you've booted at least once or something like that. Probably something drivers, BIOS, blah blah blah. I don't know. But it's working great now. The new computer is incredibly quiet. My lights, my stream lights are louder than my computer, which is wild. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. The plan for today's stream. Oh right, and before that, actually, I've gotten Milkies. And I will try and not drink it too quickly because otherwise it's gonna be a mess. But let me say hi to everyone who's here. JJMC was first. Hello, hello. Ethan is also here. How you doing? Marsha, welcome back. Hello, hello. Oramus, been a while. Good to see you again. We've also had Grandpa's iPad with, oh, let's go! Let's go! Indeed, indeed. Monday streams are back. Maybe. I don't know. I just felt like clicking, we can go live. And so, here we are. Kupol, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. S1 Cube is also here. How you doing? And we had a follow from Tao Tao 3 minutes ago. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Cheers, chat. Yeah. Okay, so the plan for today's stream is, surprise, surprise, Dead Snakes is broken. Also, there's something funky about the terminal in Noble. I've noticed that sometimes when I create a tab, I can't type in it, which is a little annoying. But I'm just gonna ignore it for now. Hopefully it's not a problem. I don't know what causes it, but yeah, it's mighty annoying. Anyway, we're gonna be doing some Dead Snakes today because apparently the builds are broken. Again, as usual. What else is new? Welcome to my life. S1 Cube, you have the same problem? Oh, so it's not just a me problem. We can maybe look around and see if there's like a patch or something to fix that, because it's mighty annoying. Anyway, it looks like we got a failure here. 1 does not equal 42, right? Yeah, this is a crash. Failure to apply dest shared location. Oh boy, merge conflict. Love me those. I think these are out of date because I haven't booted this machine in a while. You'll notice we're on BabyBox 3. We are on Ubuntu 2404. Because I finally forced myself to upgrade. I do need to go through and clean up my 2204 instance because there's surely something that I'm forgetting there. And if you look at my my VMs folder, oh, I haven't pinned it yet. Damn it. Yeah. If you look at my VMs folder, I still haven't cleaned up from 2004. So I'm at least, well, 1804 is still chilling here. I'm at least 4 years behind on, oh God, what have I done? Oh, that is not what I wanted to do. Undo. Oh, it's too easy to drag everything into this other folder. Whew, spooky. But anyway. You're still on Jammy. Nice, nice. The other server says, created a Noble VM today, had graphical glitches, finally going to full screen mode once fixes it permanently. Oh. VS Code is broken. I can't type sometimes. Great. Well, maybe I'm making a mistake about upgrading here, but we'll see how it goes. Orma says, when I have time, I'm going to switch to Fedora instead because I can get newer versions of C++ compilers. Ah, makes sense. Makes sense. The answer says, how do you move VMs between machines? Oh boy, this was a huge pain in the ass. So I basically, what I tried to do, yes, we're on the new computer, Wilfred. We're on the new computer. How do I show? I guess I can do it like this. Processors go brrr. We're on the new computer. But what was I saying? What was I saying? Oh, how do you move VMs? So Windows file sharing is an absolute fucking nightmare. Cat proc CPU info. Well, you see, carbonator covers. That wouldn't be so helpful. Oh, it's not super obvious, but this is the VM. Switch to Debian, but no. Oh, that means my bot command is wrong, isn't it? What OS? I'm gonna update that. Bot plugin simple OS. OS somewhere near? Distro is the command. Windows 11. Are we up to date here? No. Oh my goodness, what am I even doing? New computer, who dis? Yeah. It's pronounced Debian, of course. That's a good way to check out the cores, though. I mean, yes and no, because it's a VM, so it has as many cores as I give it. Yeah, I've given it 8 cores, so it's not super helpful there. The answer says, I thought when even updating VirtualBox breaks everything, moving a VM is going to be a nightmare. I just didn't even try it. So everything worked fine. I also did an upgrade and a move at the same time. So it seems like it went fine. But basically I just set up a whole bunch of fucking shitty file sharing garbage. And then this computer was able to find my old computer, which I have plugged in on the other desk for now. But it was over Wi-Fi, and so it's getting like 1 megabit per second, and it was gonna take 2 years to copy all my data over. So I happened to find a 50-foot Ethernet cable because I only have one plug in this room and I don't have a switch. I thought I had a switch, but it turns out I just don't. I must have been another casualty of one of my moves. I thought I had a switch. Fortunately, I had a long Ethernet cable, so I just plugged it into the other bedroom. And then I was at least getting gigabit. The limiter is the network card on that machine, which is fun. But yeah, then I just dragged files over and transferred them overnight, and it took like 18 hours to transfer like 3 terabytes of stuff, including my VMs. And then I installed VirtualBox. I started them. I don't think I upgraded the guest petitions, so I need to do that at some point, but it mostly just worked. I copied my Firefox profile over from the other computer, which I looked at the contents of the Firefox profile, and it has junk in there from like 2012. Like, I'm pretty sure I've just copied that profile from computer to computer since the beginning of time. But it worked. I copied my Chrome profile. That one didn't work. So I had to like manually go through and like, I copied my bookmarks, but I didn't copy anything else. So that was a pain. But yeah, Bogum Ips is such a great unit. Yeah. Marsha said that if I gave my VM 8 cores, my host PC would have -4 cores. You gonna borrow it? It's just a SQLite database. It's like a folder with all sorts of shit in it. I didn't even look too much. I was just like, where profile? Okay, copy this directory. Okay, it should be good. Did I say hi to Marataya? If not, hello, welcome. I didn't hear it, so maybe it happened and I just wasn't paying attention. But anyway, so we gotta fix this merge conflict, my favorite, and it's in a spooky file. Some oh right, we got distracted with this, right, and then we gotta restart this. Oh, and I copied over the chat logs and database for chatbot, so that's here. Yeah, okay, Python 3 point, we're gonna start with 14 nightly and then go newest to oldest. Yeah, runbooks nightly update branch ubuntu noble dot ubuntu noble. Yes, of course. Actually sign up for the Firefox sync stuff. Yeah, I don't trust any of those things. I don't trust any of the like profile syncing things. I mean, they seem really convenient, but then you just, I feel like they're not as secure as they could be. But what the fuck do I know? What do I know? This song says new PC, indeed. We are on the brand new computer that we built the last 2 streams. And everything worked. Well, there's still like some weird driver stuff and like my keyboard cam was not working. Why do my nails? My keyboard cam wasn't working for some reason. My face cam wasn't working either. Yeah, I had to do a whole bunch of like drivery stuff to make it work. All right, hopefully this isn't so bad. LDCXX shared PyLD flags. Oh, great. What the fuck changed upstream? Python, CPython. Oh, the Pokemon. Yeah, I could not get that one working. I think my capture card has actually died. But also, I fiddled around with it. So actually, the capture card seems to work. Like you can see here it is connected. And it does show Elgato, but I couldn't get it to take HDMI. So I don't know what's going on with that. And I was just like, well, fuck it. It's running downstairs, so it's good enough. You can imagine it's running. Look, imagination. Look, it's doing raids and it's also doing offline raids. Yeah. Look, it's running. Woo. Yeah. It's maybe fine. I just don't know the drivers. I don't know. I did not try and figure that out. I just wanted to click go live and do stuff. Makefile.pre.in propagate LD flags to a CXX shared. I'm surprised this got backported so far. Is this in 3.12 in security? Python release cycle schedule. How did I type Python 3? I don't know. This one. 3.12 is in bug fix. Okay, I guess it is. Whoa. Oh. See, I thought this was a canvas or is this not a? Oh no, it is an SVG. I'm surprised they enabled highlighting stuff, but. Orma says, how do you deal with the feeling that your programming skills are atrophying at work? I still work on my personal projects in C++, but the Python I write is so dull, I feel like I'm forgetting things. Easylite says, wanted to go to bed and now you're online. Yup, welcome. I don't know. Build projects in your free time? I don't know. I feel like I'm rarely doing new stuff at work, but shrugs? I don't know. I don't have a good answer. But resolving this merge conflict seems easy. We want this side of that part and this side of this part. Yeah. Hit the rebase, continue. Okay, this is gonna be easy. We might get through a bunch of stuff today, which is nice. Cotter, hello, hello. Yeah, we're on the new PC. Grams iPad says, do you collect Pokemon cards too? I used to collect them hardcore as a kid. I really liked them when I was, what, like 10 years old? But then they came out with the e-reader cards, and I thought they looked so ugly. Pokemon e-reader cards. E-reader TCG cards? Yeah. I thought these looked so ugly. Fuck. I thought these cards looked so ugly that I just stopped collecting entirely. Like, these things just looked so dumb. I mean, the art was like, this is a cute art. But this fucking border was just like, nope. I don't want any cards that look like this. That looks dumb. This stupid E in the corner is real dumb. I don't want this anymore. And so I just stopped collecting. And then they stopped doing that at some point. Damn, that Graveler looks cool. He looks fucking badass. But it's an e-reader card, so it's trash. Anyway, I stopped collecting then. I do have a handful of cards that I've gotten after that, just like cards that I thought were really cool. But I don't really collect cards anymore. Definator says Yu-Gi-Oh cards looked way cooler. Shrugs. These cards you could scan or something. Yeah, there was like a peripheral for the Game Boy Advance. This thing, the Nintendo e-reader, which could add content to some games. I know it added like the Eon ticket in Ruby and Sapphire, which was a big deal. Like the only way to solve, well, the not the only way, the only reasonable way to soft reset for the Latios and Latios. It's only $1. I just thought Pokemon cards were bland compared to Magic and Yu-Gi-Oh. They've gotten crazy since then. Like this card is really cool looking. The Moonbryon. Like as soon as they started doing like this full art stuff, like they got some pretty sick cards going. But anyway, yeah, this card is worth a fuck ton of money. What the shit? Actually, that's crazy. Why is this card going up in value? Training kids to use their credit card often? Yeah. I'm pretty sure I have a PSA 9 of this just because I like this card and I wanted to get one. So, and I did not spend this much money on it. So it is significantly appreciated in value, which is wild. Anyway, Pokemon cards. How much art of your Fursona do you have? None. Wait, that implies that I have a Fursona. No? Is that the proper answer? Gotta do jammy. Pokestonks? Yeah. Does the Python build go burr with the new CPU? You know, I don't know yet. We can try that real quick. Let me finish this one and then we'll do a real quick build. Rebase. Export. Everything does feel so much snappier though. Yeah. Okay, we're done with 314. But yeah, let's just, I don't know, configure prefix. Well, you can just do configure and make, right? Make -j8. And I mean, configure always takes a while, but. Is your brother still an Eevee? I don't know. Pokemon cards, just like crypto, if you use it, go make money. I don't think, I don't want to get rug pulled on some cardboard, right? Okay, 314 is done. 13 nightly. Oh, the fans have turned on for the first time. I can barely hear them though. Snapierre is my French name? You have a French name? Oh, there's the fans. Yeah. Do they show up on here? Oh yeah, look at this. Compilation. It's so fast. It's done though. We're missing some modules though, which is interesting. Like LZMA? UID? Surely I have the headers for those, right? Anyway, that's pretty fast. I binged on every known video recently, and all those NFT games are so fucking bad. Oh god, yeah, fucking NFTs. Nightly update branch noble. 12% CPU. I think this VM should get more cores. Yeah, I could probably give it more cores. I only gave it 8. And I think these are. I don't really understand how the P core E core thing works, but I think these top ones are P cores, and these bottom ones are E cores. And something performance and energy. But continue export. Ryzen has P&E or is it just Intel? Fuck, I don't know. Was I reading it incorrectly? Let's see, what is my CPU called? And then we can just look it up. Oh, I can't copy it. Andy Ryzen 9 7950X. That's 6. 16 core processor and 32 threads. Yeah, thank you. Where's the like number of cores, number of threads? I swore that there's some difference there. Shrugs, I don't know. Maybe you're right. Maybe I'm thinking of Intel. Carbon Cool, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. He started reviewing these NFT games, and then over time it's like he evolved into learning InfoSec and OSINT stuff to point out how they're all shitty scams. Ah, nice. Perfect. Okay, maybe it's an Intel thing and I'm just an idiot. AMD has all hardcore cores. It is a little weird to me though that it feels like the top 8 are the only ones doing work and the bottom 8 are just chilling out. Although wait, no, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why is it reporting? Oh, I see. 16 cores, 32 logical processors. So there's logical cores. Why did they use the word thread? I don't like the word thread there. Because thread has a different meaning. Anyway. Cool. Yeah. Alright. Update branch. I gotta do Jammy next. Oh. Oh, it's auto update day. So I got a whole bunch of auto update emails. And merge all those too. Oh, I forgot to check if there was another conflict here. Fortunately, there is not. Continue. Export. Git add -u, commit, and push. Win auto merge day? I'm not gonna implement auto merge. You can implement it with GitHub Actions. It's not so bad. But yeah, Google. So many cores you can't count them anymore. Yep, basically. I went from 8 to 32. Well, 8 to 16. Rebase, continue, export, commit. Imagine setting up auto merge on every PR. Oh, or like in every Git repo. I mean, you would just set up the action once. Or are you talking about auto merge like branch protection and such? Tinspin says, did you get the GPU seated finally? So it turns out it was seated. It was fine the whole time. I was just, apparently DisplayPort just doesn't work on first boot. If every PR anyone opened got merged automatically, oh, that would be wild. But yeah, Tinspin, I did end up, the GPU ended up being fine, but it turns out I plugged into HDMI instead of DisplayPort, and then it was just working. And then once I installed Windows, DisplayPort worked fine. So don't really know what was going on there. Well, I kind of suspect it's like driver shenanigans, but ended up working. G10, yeah. Merge your own stuff. Speaking of which, I do need to look at sure I pushed all these, didn't forget. Delage the 7th. Or Delige the 7th. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. I hope you're doing well. Make sure I pushed all these and didn't forget. MJS Ubuntu is also here. Hello, hello. Ubuntu Novel. Yeah, 14. Did I push these? Easy to get distracted, so. All right, we got to do Python 3.12, and then we can work on other stuff. Nope, not there. Python 3.12. Yep, we're on the new computer, and we're on a new VM. Everything's new. Not noble on this one, right? Yeah, just jamming and focal. Oh. Is that gonna work while it's already checked out? Oh, it does work. Nice. Nix win? Never. Literally never. Fuck Nix. Nix is the worst. I've lost so many hours to Nix. Never again. Then we gotta do focal. And someday I will do my thing that makes these not so much a pain in the ass, but today is not that day. Actually do it? Yeah. Continue. Export. Push. Thick. Wow, I'm surprised that CPython is using this hook. I feel like this one is one of the less tested ones. Boston Mass says, has anyone ever used DevBox for isolated dev shells? I don't know what DevBox is. DevBox seems like way too much of a generic term. It means like 4 things to me, but I don't know what it means to you. Are you talking about like virtual machines or what? Because I mean, that's what we're doing right now. Got a virtual machine specifically so that this is, well, not specifically so it's isolated, but that's a side effect. Okay, so we're gonna assume that those are all good. Where? Okay, so I am going to see if this works. So there is well, that scrolling is weirdly smooth. Have you ever used a computer? Yeah. Wait, you're on a 10 stream streak, MDS Ubuntu? That's crazy. That's so many. So I got added to this repo to maintain it, and I don't think the other maintainer pushed a PyPI release. Yeah, they did not. So I want to double check and make sure that this actually produced the stuff that I want. I wanted summary. Right page, I just clicked the wrong button. I saw it on a Hacker News comment the other day. It's a Nix-based shell. Nope, fuck that. Not gonna use it. That's all I need to know. Nope. Fuck everything about that. I don't want anything to do with Nix. Wow. Really old Node.js. Okay, doesn't matter. Pre_build. What is that? I wonder if I can just... Can I just get this? No, of course not. I have to be logged in. One download in progress. Blurp. I can put this to my pin to quick access. Unzip media this dist.zip. Yeah, those look right. Cool. Okay, so in theory, if we look at this repo, it has a GitHub workflow for trusted publishing. But I don't know if it works. It is OIDC set up, so in theory it should work. In theory it should work. Bossman says, sorry, I'm new here. What are you using for the Ubuntu VM? It's just where I do development. Yeah. You're on a 9 streak, Morsha? So in theory, if I make a tag, it should just do the thing. But I don't know. So we're gonna try it and see what happens. The annoying thing is every other release that the other maintainer's done hasn't been via tags. So I think they're just uploading directly. We're gonna try it and find out. I guess the first thing to say is, do they are signing their tags. Yeah. So what could go wrong, right? uh seemed like you're on Windows, but hypervisor VirtualBox. Oh, yeah, no, I just read your question wrong. That's my bad. Get tag 2.00 tag, let's give me to those. Get tag 2.0.27 alpha 1. I think this will force it to get signed. No, I don't think it does. Dash dash sign, or is it dash dash GPG sign? It's dash dash sign. Fine. Write a message. Right. Got to get my GPG key. Oh, and I had to log into everything too. Paste. Copy. Alright, so in theory I could just push this tag. And it'll do the thing. Well, it let me push the tag. And it is running. I guess we'll see. I guess we will see. Yeah. Well, we're just gonna let that go. I'm gonna merge some of my auto update day. Cause it is not done yet, but I need some clicking. Oh yeah. This thing finally got resolved. So this is the library that I use for doing text detection in my Pokemon scripts. Tesser OCR. It's a wheeled version of Tesseract that you can just pip install and use. And they updated it to produce a bunch of fucking annoying noise on the output. Ego PT! It's been so long. It's good to see you again. Thank you for the resub of 30 months. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back. Hello, hello. And thank you for your continued support. 30 months is quite a long time. Yeah, so annoyingly, I complained in June that I was like, this is really fucking annoying. So much output. It should be off by default. And they're like, you can do this to turn it off. And I'm like, no. That sucks. Blah, 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 grumble, grumble. And eventually I made a separate issue because they were like, make a separate issue. And I was like, I don't feel like I should, but here we go. Here we are. And their API to turn it off is broken, which was also fun. Spyro, hello, hello. I wish OCR was faster too. I find it so slow that I don't use it enough. This API is actually pretty fast. Lofkey, hello, hello. Thank you for the resub at 1 year, which gets you a fancy new badge. I hope you're doing well, and it's good to see you again. It's been a bit. I mean, it's been a bit for me, so fair enough. I know. What is this weekday stream, Anthonk? What happened? Well, that's a cute emote. Tanaki wave. Ooh. But yeah, I was like, grumble grumble, output annoying. Someone else was like, yes, output annoying. Another person was like, output really annoying. And then they wisened up. So it's been 3 months and they figured it out finally. But anyway, that's all good and dandy now. Shit, I did this wrong. Shouldn't have. Oh, I have the new merge view, by the way. I guess I should show it off. I think they have finally sorted this list. Finally? This might be my user script though. Oh, it's still in sorted order. They may have finally fixed it though. But this box is a little annoying. And this is annoying that this is purple here, and like I've clicked on this restore branch button so many times because that's where the like delete branch button usually is. I don't know why they did that. Error during build. Oh, types all is fucking me. Okay, well, we gotta fix that one. Apparently I have not dealt with that yet. Let's open up all the rest of these while we're here. Yeah, types all got the yanked, sort of yanked from PyPI in a way. Oh, I already opened this one. That's one we need to fix. Oh, there's another one we need to fix. Really? And this one apparently too. Oh god, a lot of these are gonna need to fix. Great. Love that for me. Your farm says, what extension are you using for GitHub? I'm not. This is just, I'm in like the beta channel, alpha channel of GitHub. I am using Tempermonkey, which is just, I write scripts. This is just as a user scripting. And they're just scripts that I wrote. So they're not special. Oh damn, I gotta fix a lot of these. It's fine, that's fine. But yeah, I don't like that this, I don't like that box. It bothers me. Okay, apparently I have types all in a lot of places, so I gotta deal with that. Fortunately, it's easy to fix. It's just list the actual packages you care about. But yeah, this new merge view and that giant text box make it so I can't just click through them real quick, which is annoying. But bear with me a sec and then we'll go through and fix all of these. But yeah, this new view, I'm liking it so far. Usually GitHub changes something and I'm like, why did you change this? But this actually seems fine. Wow, this was quick. Oh no, this is the build. It's not the one that I'm like. This is the one. I was gonna say, there's no way it's done already. These tabs are so small. We fixed that. We looked at that. We did that. Yeah, we got a bunch of shit to fix though. The Prime Coder, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. All right, who's first to fix web? Okay, so this should tell us what things we need to add, and then we'll just add them, and then we'll be done. But we got to do that for all of them. Unused type ignore. What? What? None of repo none has no attribute account name. Oh, because we don't have types flasks. Yeah. And I realize types JWT is technically deprecated, but you want to say, I mean, I could just put Flask and JWT in here too, I think. Is that what it is? Yeah, it's pi JWT. And then that type ignore will be something I can remove. URL4 has star star dict stir stir expected none. Yeah, type dict. Unuse type ignore. Item none have any none has no attribute get. This is really nullable? Types dict. Ooh woo. What? This is really nullable? None of any or none has no attribute get. I guess if we don't have JSON, then we expect a problem here. You told me to type dict? Okay. If flask.request.json is none, so we can just do assert. Dependencies. Yeah. If payload is not JSON parsable, it will be none. Well, hopefully GitHub is always sending us JSON. If any. what a cop-out docstring. Okay, cool. So that's web. God, we gotta do a lot of these. Light web, probably the same thing. Probably the same fixes too. Oh, but I didn't want to do it there. Same type ignore. And then the same problem here as well. All right, who is next? Update session. I'm surprised that this has dependencies that need typing. Yeah. This one is just copy paste. Doesn't really have dependencies. Yeah, even like it's very subtle, but I feel like even the terminal feels faster. I know it sounds dumb. What the fuck? Okay, update session, update install. It's when you take a pill that you think it does something but it doesn't. I'm tired. Yeah, the placebo effect. But I don't think this is placebo. This feels real. This one does use JWT. Why does this one use JWT? I don't know. It's real to me. Yeah, I'm gaslighting myself, right? Okay, pre-commit CI config. What does that one use? Oh, probably PyYAML. Is it types PyYAML or PyYAML? Does PyYAML have types? I forget. Did they put stubs in there? The GPU renders the displays faster and the CPU computes all the updates faster. It's true, and the display is faster too. I don't see any .pyis here. Is it types YAML or types PyYAML? Types PyYAML, I guess. That display is so good it hurts? Yeah. Need to remember to actually set the refresh rate to 144 hertz or whatever? No, I haven't updated the refresh rate. It's just whatever the default is. Bum, 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 bum. Well, this isn't the one I was looking at, but we can merge it. Merge, merge. Merge, merge. Merge. That's the one we just pushed. Oh, it's done already? Nice. Merge, merge. Runner. This has JWT and YAML. Same type ignore. Was that a hiccup? I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. Maybe. Possibly. Back to Python Cat Jam. How we doing, Qualsy? Hello, hello. Light worker. Yeah, I'm locked in. I don't even notice. So happy you're coding. We're doing it. We're coding away. Rich Codes Web says, Anthony, do you know much about Django? I know too much about Django. I do not like Django, but it is what Sentry uses for work, so unfortunately I know a lot about it. Yeah. Would I ever use Django in my own projects? Absolutely not. Alright, auto updater. Did Sentry teach you Django? Nope. I learned it myself. Got PyYAML and PyJBT. I can pick your brain. I'm not sure where I do something. I mean, don't ask to ask, just ask. No promises that I'll be able to help you, though. Why do you hate Django? Is there any specific criticisms or just a matter of taste? Django makes some wild design choices. Blah, blah, blah. In particular, the settings module is the thing that pisses me off the most, because you can't do anything in Django without your settings module loaded, including look at the documentation. Like, it can't just be like python-m pydoc django.db.models. It's just gonna be like, oh, you don't have your settings configured. And it's like, I just wanted to read your fucking doc strings. Why should I need to have my app set up in a working state? And then that whole design proliferates throughout Django, and like everything is like a weird side effect of importing the app and the models and global registration all over the place and magical mega settings module. Fuck everything about that. It sucks. Creating management function, I need to add a function. Would I put the new function within def f handle or outside of it? I am not familiar with def f handle. I'm aware of custom model managers, but I don't know what you're trying to do or in what def handle. Like in a view? You can put a function anywhere. It's just a class, right? Or if you're in class-based views. You can add a method, you can add model scope function. Like, it's just Python at that point. Lol King, it's called honesty. Dude, fuck Django. I've used it enough to know that it's not good. The club says, how would you describe WSGI to a layman? I don't think a layman is ever going to need to understand WSGI. But if we assume they have a tiny amount of programming knowledge, WSGI is basically a contract that is specified that servers will communicate to Python apps with, and is basically a dictionary of stuff. And a bunch of different web frameworks implement the web framework side of that, and a bunch of different servers implement the server side of that. And PEP 3333 is one of the worst PEPs ever, because it Latin 1 decodes byte strings into stir, and so you always have mojibake if you're dealing with PEP 3333. Like, I don't know why they decided to do that. They should have just made them bytes. If it was bytes, it would have been honest. But alas, it's not. Why does this have this at all? I guess we'll find out. Command function class command def handles script which runs under manage.py. Oh, you're writing manage.py commands, not views. I don't think it changes anything though. The answer says, so many people praise fast API. After 10 minutes, I had run into a dozen things that Pydantic couldn't do, or I had to define an additional enum even though I already had a database model with all the attributes. Yeah, Pydantic is another big ball of complexity and half-finished ideas. But yeah, what are you gonna do? DJ White, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Ring. Having a key be not required like every normal type tick can is not possible. Async overhead. Oh yeah, async. What is it doing? I guess it's installing. Surely it's not building biome from source. Don't know what it's doing. Downloading rest. Polymathic man, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. That one should be done. I don't like that GitHub removed their little icons here. I want my little favicon back. They must have not made the cut on their new beta feature. Doing well, good to hear, good to hear. Freak mit hooks. This one does have, oh, it has Rumel YAML. Let's just see if we remove this, what happens now. What do you mean they do have a favicon? So normally if you have a pull request open, the favicon will be either green, yellow, or red based on whether it has passed or succeeded, passed or failed. So you like this one here has a little yellow nubby here because this one's in progress. These ones don't have a green, red, or yellow nubby. And I'm guessing it's because of this alpha feature that I'm opted into. But like this one's yellow because this is in progress. It just makes it easy to like see things as they're going. Still fit. What? I thought we fixed this one already. Oh no, this is one of the ones that we skipped somehow. Oh, because I reordered them. Annoying. Well, we gotta do that one. I might as well move it to the end. That way we don't regore. Yeah. Yeah. He just hates all code where all code is bad. Looks like the new box makes Babby run like a dream. You say that like it's a joke, but I feel like it does. I feel like it is significantly faster. But it could just be all in my head, as Tom DeLonge would say. Could be you're part of a test group. I know I'm part of a test group. In fact, I see that special star? Oh, that didn't work. What happened here? You have clicked the mouse inside the virtual machine or pressed the host key. Did that not work? Oh. Shit. My buttons not work? Oh, they work. They work fine. It just showed a new message. Anyway. I'm a GitHub star. That's what the little plaque thing is. That's why I get opted into new stuff all the time. Do you like any Python framework for web servers, or just use a proper language like C# or Go? I'm fine with Flask. It has its problems, but I'm fine with it. Good enough. Prik mit hooks. How to do pygrep hooks. I'm surprised that this one has literally no code. I don't know why that one would. Probably because I just copy pasted. Almost certainly because I copy pasted. Actually, this one probably uses PyYAML, doesn't it? This. Flask handle all that Django can. What does it mean for Flask to be lightweight? So Flask is just a web framework, whereas Django tries to be the kitchen sink. In that it's an ORM, it's a content manager, it's an admin panel, it's a view manager, web framework. It tries to be fucking everything. It tries to be like Rails. Anyway. Ah, shit. How many stars do you have to get to be the plaque? It's like it's more of like like a election process sort of thing. Yeah, like it's more like being appointed. And being active in community, blah blah blah. Which I feel a little bad because I don't feel like I qualify right now, but they don't take it away for a couple of years, so. I feel like Flask shouldn't even come with Jinja. I kind of agree. You have to bribe somebody? No. No, I don't have to bribe anybody. But speaking at their conference definitely helped. They take it away. Membership or not membership. I guess membership. Membership is a limited time thing. They want to cycle it out so other people can be GitHub stars, which makes sense. I feel like I have overstayed my welcome on that though, because I think I've been a star since like 2020. Yeah, it's been years, and I honestly have not participated much beyond the first year or so, just because I've been so busy. But Club, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Crass Sandwich says, I imagine Microsoft sends an elite covert ops team to retrieve the star. No, they just remove you from the website. I'm surprised this doesn't use YAML at all. Oh yeah, I specifically made this so it didn't actually do any YAML stuff. JK, it does need YAML. Dependencies. Wow, that was so fast. I wasn't even expecting it to be that fast. It feels nice to have a fast computer again. I didn't think I would really notice it, but it feels so nice to have a fast computer again. It's still chugging away there. Glad I decided to multitask, because god damn, that's taking forever. Email decided to merge that really. In my room. Go away, bug. I don't know where it is now. But I flicked it real good. Congrats on the new computer. Glad you're enjoying it so much. Have you played any games on it yet, though? No, I haven't even installed Steam. But in theory, I should do that at some point. Oh god, this person is trying to build something for Windows. Good luck, have fun. Haha. But yeah, no, I haven't played any games yet. No. Okay. This is green now. Merge. I'm just trying to get through my email a little bit here. I have a to-do from May 10th. From May 10th. I'm so far behind on my to-dos. But we slowly make progress every stream, I tell myself. Shit. This is gonna have the same problem. Yeah, this auto update day is gonna be a little annoying because of the types all stuff, but should be able to get through it. Have you tried Django Ninja? Never heard of it. I feel it gives back some of the stupid decisions that DRF has made. Man, we use DRF at work and I fucking hate it too. King of the Beat says, are you worried about AI at all? No, AI is fucking dumb. It's another shitty fad. I feel left behind when everyone else is using it. I don't feel like I'm missing anything at all. Except that Google search has gotten shittier. That is the one thing that I miss about the AI revolution. But hey, if it triggers a post-scarce society, I'm down for that. Just doesn't seem likely. It does not seem likely. Nope. Wait, it's done already? Does this repo not have GitHub Actions? Nope. Lol. Cool. Django tries to bring Pydantic to Django similar to Fast API? That doesn't sound good. I want to be as far away from Pydantic as possible. This takes forever because it's emulated. Oh my god, it is only on 3.8. Is there a Google alternative at that point? DuckDuckGo or something? Maybe. Maybe. I feel like DuckDuckGo used to be shit, and so I didn't use it. And now Google is shit. So I'm annoyed by that. But what are you gonna do, I guess? DDG I use purely for their bangs? I don't know what that means. Wasn't DDG based on Google? I want to say that sounds true, or maybe it was like a proxy for Bing or something. But yeah, it sounds right. DGG uses Bing. Okay, that's what it was. Okay. So this is one that's been sitting around for a very long time that I think I can finally merge. Since June 11th. We can merge this. We can finally upgrade Go on pre-commit CI. There's something else that I wanted to do here. Like, I think, was it changing the default Python? Oh, I already did that. I already did that. Oh, I was gonna change the default Ubuntu distribution. Sounds like a lot of work though, so maybe I won't do that today. I can picture the search result from like a year ago and I'm unable to find it. Yeah. Yeah, all the old stuff is gone. Like I searched Postgres CAPI stuff, which hasn't changed in 30 years. Unable to find it. Just geeks for geeks bullshit. Yeah. Fucking geeks for geeks. Goddamn garbage. Alright, that's gonna take a while. We still don't know if this is going to succeed. I mean, I know the build's gonna succeed. I don't know if it's gonna publish. And honestly, that's why you shouldn't keep a to-do list. It makes you feel bad. I don't think I would function. Well, I would function because most of the time I don't use one, but I don't think I would get as much done without a to-do list. Yeah, you know what? I think that's probably most of what I want to get done today, because everything else that I want to do is going to take a very, very long time. And I don't really want to sit around and wait for these builds. So, yeah. Maybe I will, oh, you know what? We can just clean up my VM. That'll be a little therapeutic. Might be a little bit boring, but we'll see what I can clean up. Oh, this pisses me off so much. So in VirtualBox 6, you could click start and then close this window and it would start the VM. But now it does like some fucking management garbage in here. And so you have to wait for it to start the VM and then you can close it. So annoying. It's so minor, but it's so annoying. And the other cool thing is my new virtual machine disk is much bigger than the old one. The old one was 500 gigs, so I was almost out of space. But now we got a few extra free terabytes, so I could actually have made that VM bigger. But I need to I also need to record. I haven't recorded my Ubuntu one. There hasn't been an FTL stream in ages. That's true. That's true. I don't have FTL installed yet, though. Actually, maybe I do. Because I think I copied over my Steam library. Is it gonna let me just play from the Steam library? How does this work? FTL game.exe. There's no way it's gonna run though, right? Oh, unless? No, it doesn't have my profile. God, I love the FTL music. It's so good. Anyway, wait, I feel like one of these icons is missing over here. Oh, there's two of them missing. This settings icon, you can't see because it's behind my face. But the settings icon is missing over here. Anyway, on good old Babby Box 2. Why are there so many screenshots? Is this gonna be a regret to look at screenshots? 2021, 2022, 11. They're all on the same day, which is... Why did I take screenshots of... Oh, this is before I made a thing to save. Yeah. Oh, these are so old. This is when I was first doing my like automatic raid thing. Oh, that was definitely a loss. Yeah, this is before I made my Pokemon script save images by pressing S. I didn't know how to do that before that, so I was taking those. What the fuck? What is this? Must have been a mistake. Anyway, okay, so nothing important there. I guess I should look in the home directory first. Nothing there. Shouldn't be anything in music. Shouldn't be anything on the desktop. Downloads maybe has junk, but not important. Firefox is now called Firefox_Firefox.desktop. God damn it, really? Do you play Civ? I have played Civ, but I haven't played Civ in a very long time. Okay, that's all managed by Terraform. So into workspace we go. Keep your eyes peeled for AWS secrets. Yeah, we're gonna be careful about that. Fake zip. Oh, this was a cool thing. I should probably commit that somewhere. All right, this repo. It's faster to clone without a token. I guess I didn't do this for some reason. Is it faster? Oh, I was trying to figure it out. I see. You don't need that repo. Whip. I don't know if I need that. We'll come back to that in a sec. Cat AWS credentials. No, we're not. No, not gonna happen. Just gotta make your own recall to search that sort of stuff and redact. But we wrote like a Babby renderer plugin thing that made it so credentials didn't show up. Oh, I want to try this now. I want to see if this still core dumps in new curses. The answer is yes. It's a new error though. Munmap chunk invalid pointer. I want to say that over here it's corrupted size versus priv size. So we got a brand new crash here. But it still crashes, so that's good. Sun says, what was your old CPU? It was an i7 from 2018. So I don't actually know the model without booting up that machine over there. But quite an upgrade. Terraform. Yeah, don't. Clean that up. That's W2. This is switch stuff. Diff isn't important. The build output. Oh, this is really old. Why does it have all this stuff? That should all be get ignored. You only geek about software then? I mean, I was excited about the computer when I built it. But it's been years. So yeah. Patch. Oh, this is nice doing Legends Arceus stuff. Bird crop. Yeah, I think that actually did end up making it into the code at some point. But I don't think there's anything. Well, that's actually kind of fun stuff. Maybe we'll keep those around for now. We'll come back to that. This shouldn't have anything important. Oh god. I don't know why those are hanging out like that. Okay, set up CFG format. Got a to do in here. Classifier's weird new line at beginning. Damn, I would have to find my VOD and figure out why I wrote that comment. I'm trying to sub with Prime, but Amazon is saying it can't connect my account. Oh no! You'll just have to do it to your... I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Don't spend your real money if you don't want to. Yeah, I don't know what this to-do is about, unfortunately. So... Must not be a prug then. I don't actually want that setting. Okay, Ruby junk. Oh, I started writing a Docker file to build Ruby from source. Yeah, don't need that. Hi, Whiskey Wheels. This is what we did on stream. Pi upgrade. This is basically how I clean up my old VMs, essentially. Silly Laird says, hey Anthony, I'm moving into a new place and hopefully we'll have Ethernet in my bedroom, which is where my office will be. Nice. I need to run a cable through the carpet. Oh. So, my first apartment that I had on my own, I guess not my apartments in college because technically I'm on my own too. My first post-college apartment, they had cable run to each apartment, and you could hook up, internet there. But I didn't want Wi-Fi; I wanted wired. But my computer was on the opposite side of the wall of the internet, and so I'm surprised I got my full security deposit back because I just fucking poked a hole through the wall and ran the cable through the hole in the wall. And they just didn't notice, I guess. I kind of, I mean, I made it look a little less subtle once I moved out by like slightly patching over it, but they fucking deserved it. That goddamn apartment complex was Hilariously expensive. Okay, this branch got deleted. This does squash merge, so I'm just gonna assume that that got integrated. I don't want to use Wi-Fi though. I hate it. Yeah, Wi-Fi has gotten a lot better though. All right, I feel like this is something I need to copy over, so we're gonna leave that there. Cool. I think this is still in progress. What are you, Foo? Foo hi. Okay. Yeah, that'll probably need to get copied over. I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet, but we'll figure it out. Okay. Our apartment, we're not allowed to drill anything or screw anything in the wall. Yeah, I wasn't allowed to either, but look at all the fucks I gave. Oh, it's a 4-floor apartment? How many people are you rooming with? That sounds wild. Oh, there's all sorts of stuff that I need in here. We fixed this already. This is definitely stuff I still need to do though. Me, mom, and 2 cats. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I have 44 new emails. I wonder what it is. I need to downsize because it's costing too much. Ah, makes sense. So your new rig supports more monitors going full tank from the Matrix. Yeah, I could actually hook up 2 more monitors and have 5 of them, but 3 is already more than I need, I think. And actually, the new one is so many more pixels than the old one that I'm not anywhere near utilizing as much space as I was before. Need to move close to mom's school. She's a great school teacher. Oh, cool. In the server says, would you move into a shared apartment again if you had to move to another city in a rush? Rent has gotten so out of control. I'll just fucking die if I have to move to another city. I don't think I'm moving. I have a house. Why would I move? There's very little that would, well, yeah, there's very little that would get me to move. There's very little reason that I would up and leave. But no, I fucking hate roommates. I'm not doing that shit again. Can regenerate all that. Amen, yeah. Grandma Simon says, I'll room with you. I can move in tomorrow. No. Hassan, thank you for the sub with Prime. You got it working. Let's go. Appreciate your support. Welcome, welcome. HOA would get me to move at some point, I guess. Yeah. See, I've learned that my HOA just doesn't do anything. They were all threatening me like right when I moved in. And then nothing. They just haven't really done anything since then. So I'm less convinced that they are a problem. Okay, this I actually need to. I don't need you anymore. I'm a little concerned about the contents of these files. You know, we'll just look at my face for a sec. Oh, this was. Okay, there's nothing sus in here. I was debugging AMI differences, and for some reason, the Ubuntu AMI changed to be different metadata version. That's why you don't buy HOA. Take it over and disband it. Thought about it. Can't disband it while they're building though, because the builders would back out. Which maybe would be a good idea. But mobile app sucks. I had to do it for my PC. Ah, yeah, Twitch mobile fucking sucks. Islanders or whatever who run the place were threatening us with not paying on time, even though all we did was pay on time. Yeah, landlords will always find some way to get off. Okay, so maybe I don't need anything in here. Yeah, we figured that out. Kishimita, hello, welcome. I'm watching one of your YouTube videos. Cool. Good to hear. It's weird. I have a person on my Pokemon Go friends list with the same username. There's like 0 chance that it's you though. But I will recommend it. I don't know who that is. But tell them thank you from me for recommending me. Okay, don't need you. I'm running the don't run Python myscript.py. That's a good one. That's one that everyone should watch. See if this will work. Damn. God damn it, this thing sucks. Dawn script. I hate that that worked. But 10 out of 10, yeah, it's a very good one. Explains invalid search syntax, yeah. Oh, spooky.m file. We're just gonna ignore that. I'm not gonna open it, but Feral Fruit Loop says, "Hey y'all, how's the stream going? It's going alright." I'm just kind of armor effing things right now. It's mostly just therapy at this point. Existing route table patch backend env. Okay. This was a failed experiment because it turns out GitHub doesn't support IPv6 yet, even though they keep breaking stuff for it. Yeah, we ended up not needing that. Wait, but I happen to know that that to-do file is useful. Don't need you. And I happen to know that there are untracked things in here that are useful. So we will keep this around. I'll figure out how to transfer it over when I'm done. But yeah, we're basically just deleting my old VM because I don't need it anymore because we got a new one. Install Swift not needed. Probably already merged that then. Yeah, we did that already. Yay. Oh, but we can check on these other things, and there's probably some that we need to. Oh, it's green. Oh, it uploaded a PyPI. Oh, did we get it? Please, please. Yo, let's go. We got my new alpha version, so I can finally upgrade to Python 3.12 at work. Knock on wood. In theory. This is the last piece to the puzzle. Video coming soon about that. Although we did like 3 streams on it, so it's old news to some. That's not the button I wanted. This is the one I wanted. Alright, so let's go through all of these, and some of them are going to be failing, and we'll fix those and we'll merge the rest of them. I think I've just realized that I forgot to increase the text size on the skin, so this is probably absolutely microscopic for everyone. Yeah. I'm having I'm adjusting to the size because it's it's smaller than my previous screen, but yeah. That sounded like real wood. I thought that was my door. I mean, it is I don't think it's real wood. I think it's plastic. It looks like wood. Very good imitation, but yeah. Thank you, past person that wrote a robust GitHub Actions workflow. Yeah. Ishimita says, how long have you been coding in Python? 12 years. 2012 was the first Python that I wrote. Yeah, this is still failing, but for other reasons. We're gonna ignore that one. Oh, and now we're gonna shrink the size down again so I can click these buttons. Yeah. So sorry, it's gonna be tiny for a bit. What happened here? Weird. I must have just forgot to merge this one last week. Yeah, or 3 weeks ago. Strange. Well, we got it now. Okay, this is one of the ones we have to fix. Oh, but now I've lost my spot. We shouldn't have too many to fix in here because I rarely use extra dependencies. That one is probably just one where it was PyYAML or something. Which, yeah, YAML. What about you, Kishimita? How long have you been using Python? I guess technically I wrote some absolutely garbage Python in like 2011. But I didn't know what I was doing, so it looked like C++ Python. You know, camel case and everything. I didn't know what I was doing. I ran my first Hello World in the summer of 2020. Oh. I see you were infected by Python. Oh, that's not a good way to put that. The Python pandemic. I mean, a lot of people learned to program during 2020. Were you one of them? Was that one of your pandemic learning experiences? I think we're down to just failures at the end here. Yeah. Okay, these should all be merged minus the 3 that we didn't do. Let's fix these ones. Git CodeNet, all repos, and reorder Python imports. What is that one? Let's be copy paste, right? All repos. This is definitely YAML. packaging. Maybe it is not. Library stubs for POTUS PyML. Look at that. Dependencies, types, PyML. Now I'm trying to create a public module for stats work Python. I want to see if I can push to PyPI this weekend. Oh, fun. Yes, but not because of the pandemic, but because I wanted to become a data scientist, and that's one of the tools they use. Oh, cool. Nice. What was the commit message I use? Oh, this is one of the broken tabs. I don't know what caused it. It drives me nuts, though. Nope, not these ones. Specify type dependencies. Specify type dependencies. Basically, poor man's SciPy, yeah. Well, we all start somewhere. Okay, what was the one I did? All repos was the one I did. This one. Get code data is next. Oh, that bug is back. A physical bug. Red Kids Vibes, I don't know what that looks like. Oh, I can look at it because oh. I thought it would show up because of I thought I had BTTV on those. But maybe it's not a BTTV emote. Shrugs. Do we use YAML here? Oh yes. Yes we do. This is probably just YAML. Apparently it is more. Package resources? No. Not package resources. I should really factor that at some point. Invalid base client base. They're probably missing Flask as well. Flask client expects no type arguments, but one given. Value of type T teardown of teardown request to scaffold cannot be callable exception none. Well, we can surely do object. Yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. And then this one. I don't know why this one would have any dependencies, because I'm pretty sure this has no deps beyond classify imports. Six. Oh, I guess I'm wrong. From the code gen script. Surprising. Cool. Ah, shit. Put it on the wrong branch. Okay. This should be good to go now. And these tests are usually pretty quick, so I'll be ready to go soon enough. And why are you not showing as merged? Did I swore I clicked merge. Maybe I closed it too quickly before the little spinner finished? That'd be annoying. Just be able to just insta close them. The gate ones, yeah. And we can merge this one. I actually didn't see that in the notification list, but shrugs. Now we can make the font size big again. Cool. 125, 150? I think we usually did 150, and that looks about right. If you were a language, what would you be? Asks Silly Laird. I don't know. I don't think I've been asked such a question before. Okay, can delete all of these. And I did want to see how this is progressing. Oh, green. Info. Update versions. Oh, we can update pre-commit CI. Blueprint version. It's an important life question. I don't know that I have a good answer for it. Update runner image. I'd probably be like C or RC shell from Plan 9. Oh boy. What's the language that just spits out no when you're wrong? Can I be that one? And the tests don't actually validate that, but the post-merge stuff will, so I'll just auto-merge that. But yeah, I think that's all I really want to get done today. Brain fuck is a nice one. Hey, on Nightly, that's a good call. Isn't that the troll language? No, it's some like mathematical functional language that I don't actually know how to write, but it is a funny one. But yeah, I think I'll wrap this up there. Let me do my little spiel and we'll find some channels to send you off to. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel. I need to record for this week because I haven't done it yet because yesterday was all computer build stuff. APL maybe? I don't know. But yeah, go subscribe there. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch up on the VODs channel. That one is at anthonywritescode-vods. Where I upload stream VODs. Although the computer build ones aren't going to show up here. So if you want to watch those are only on Twitch. Yeah. And I normally stream on Saturdays. I announce my stream on the Discord. You're free to join. Come hang out with us. It's a fun little programming Discord. There's beginners channel if you want to ask questions, and then a bunch of other fun social channels as well. But that's going to wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.